All right, here's the toolbox slash fuel tank combo I bought. Oh, this one actually opens quite nice. The last one got stuck. Anyways, well, I made this fitting the last time to see if where it was leaking, and when I pulled this out, this little cap here, it actually had air pressure inside, so the last one didn't do that. So let's put some air pressure in it. See if she leaks anywhere. I'm going to use Windex because that's what I usually use to test for leaks on tires. Works pretty good to find a leak. It starts to bubble up, and then you know exactly where your leak is. So far, I'm not seeing any leaks. So last time, it leaked in the bottom corner over here, which I don't see any bubbles yet. Nothing. Cool. Means I get to keep it now. And hope it doesn't leak later.